This is a beginner's guide to Microsoft OneDrive for Windows. What is OneDrive? It is your place in the cloud in which you can save your documents, your pictures, whatever it is that you want to have access to. Anywhere, wherever you go, put it in OneDrive and you have access to it. For instance, when you look at my desktop here, you're going to see that I have these files here, I have these images that I have put here. If I go in different place, I don't have my computer, I don't have access to these files. OneDrive solves that problem. I can take these images here and upload them or put them in my OneDrive cloud storage, and I'll have access to these files, these images, anywhere, on any device, my smartphone or my laptop or any device that has internet connection. Whether it's my device or a public device, it doesn't really matter. My OneDrive account is mine, so I'll just log in and I'll have access to my files. To learn more about OneDrive, come to this website here. I'll leave it in the description so you can just check that out. This page is basically talking about some of the features of OneDrive and the reasons why you should use OneDrive. You can, back up and protect your files on the internet. You can have access to these files from anywhere on any device, as you can see here. You can also share and connect with other people on OneDrive. When you're logged into your account on your device, OneDrive is going to sync with that device, and so you can have access to your files even when you are offline. You're going to see this shortly. If you are worried about the safety of your files, OneDrive is going to protect your files. When your local machine crashes, your files will be lost. On OneDrive, your files will be safe. They'll be protected. Let's say your device is stolen. All those files that you have on that machine, on that device, they are gone. But when you store them in a OneDrive account, you still have access to your files when you just log into your account. So let's scroll down here. These are the plans that are available. You can start for free here, and you have 5 GB cloud storage and the free access to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If you don't have an account with Microsoft, you're going to click on this button to sign up. I already have that, so I'm just going to log in. So after logging in, this is where I am, and so what I'm going to do here is I'll just close this window. They're also trying to say I should upgrade. So you're going to have a window like this. Here we have new button for creating new items. Maybe you want to create a new folder, and so you can just click on the new here. You will see a folder. You can also create other files or upload files from your local machine. You can upload folders from local machine. You can create Word documents just from here. You can create Excel workbooks, PowerPoint presentations, also OneNote notebook, forms, survey. You can do all these things. Even the text document, you can create this from here. So let's say you want to create a folder. You can just click on the folder there. Then you can give it a name. Let's say I'll just save this as George. When I click on create, a folder is going to appear here on the list of my files that are in this OneDrive account. I have George. When I open this one, by double clicking, just like on a local machine, we're going to be inside my folder and it's empty. But also here we can just let's say new and click on the folder and say files to create new files from here, and click on create. This is creating a folder inside my George folder, and I can do the same here, create another one by just clicking on the new folder and say another folder. Let's say pictures. So we have pictures here, and we just click on create. Now we have files and pictures. Let's just create another folder here and say blank, create it. And so now what if we want to move this folder into one of these files? We can just drag this and we can drop, just like on a local machine, we can drop this folder in one of these folders that we have here. So we can drop this in the files and it's going to be here. Now with these folders that we've created here in this OneDrive storage, we're going to open this folder by double clicking, and in here where we have pictures, I'm going to open this. But now here, this is where I want to upload the files that I have on the desktop. So how do we go about it? We can just simply drag the files from the desktop to this window. by just selecting the pictures that we want here and dragging. This is one way to go about it. We drag and drop these files to this window like that, and see it's showing that we are uploading 2 files, and then when it's done you're going to see the files that you've uploaded here. The second way is you can just click on the new button here, new, then you can say upload files. Click on this option here. It's going to open a computer browser where you can choose to upload the images that you want. You can select 1, or you can highlight 2, or even 3 if you want. So let's select all of these at once. Then you can just click on open, and these images are going to be uploaded to this folder, uploading 5 images, just like that. Now I will have access to these images anywhere, wherever I go on any device. All I need to do is just log in with my credentials to my OneDrive account or my Microsoft account. Then I'll have access to these files. If you have a lot of files here and it's very difficult for you to find the file that you're looking for, you can use the search here and you'll be able to find whatever file you're looking for in your OneDrive account. So here we're able to find the file. Whatever file you have on your OneDrive account, you can find it using this search here. You have files, which is the home page here. You can see the recent documents. Here you can also create documents like maybe Word or Excel or PowerPoint. You have all these tabs here. If you have photos, you can click and see the photos that are in here. But now this is going to reload and open this new tab here specifically for photos. And this is very powerful, and this is a new feature in OneDrive. So just it's going to show you the images that you already have installed. We installed these images previously, but yeah, this is just to show you that you can share things. Here we haven't shared anything with anyone, just like a local machine. Here we have the recycle bin, so whenever you delete something, you're going to find it in the recycle bin. So let's delete something here. Let's say we open this folder of mine and we decide to delete one of the images from this pictures folder. Let's say we delete this one. How can we delete? When you select it, you're going to see the properties panel on top here. You can just click on delete and you can delete this. Now when we check the recycle bin, we should be able to find it there. It should be here, just like that. This is the recycle bin. So if you don't want this anymore permanently, you can just delete this here, and it's going to ask you to delete this permanently. This is how, just like on a local machine, you can have as many files in folders, and just you can store all the types of documents or files that you may think of, just like on a local machine. You have the settings, you also have the help. If you want help, you can just click here, you'll find help. To learn more about the upgrades, if you want to upgrade, maybe this storage here is too small for you, you can just upgrade by clicking here. It's going to show you the upgrades that are there. You can upgrade to this one, $1.99 per month, or maybe this one, or maybe this one. All these are the upgrades that you have access to. This is how simple Outlook is, and you can create all of these things here. If you want to create a Word document on the cloud, even if you don't have Microsoft Word installed on your computer, you can create a Word document by just clicking on this Word document here. It's going to open a new tab here for Microsoft Word on the cloud. Just like that, it opens, and so you can start using this one if you don't have Microsoft Word on your local machine. Just like, and here you have Microsoft Word. You can design and create documents from here, just like on a local machine. So when you're done designing this document, if you want to save it, you can just simply come to File, and here you're going to have the Save As, and here you can choose to save it with a name online in your OneDrive account, or you can download a copy of this file. So you just click there, then it's going to download a copy, and when it downloads, it's going to show you that the document is being downloaded, just like this. This is simply how OneDrive works. It's very simple, it's not complicated. If you know how to work with a computer and how to create folders and all those fancy things, how to move files from one place to the other, all those things can be done in here. OneDrive is very simple. If you know how to work with a computer, this should not be difficult for you. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions about OneDrive, please ask in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.